Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's proceed with our basic common charts. So far we've done funnel chart, pie chart, bar chart and column chart, and now let's proceed with the area chart and line chart. So first we'll do a line chart, then next we'll be doing an area chart. But we need to understand when we use a line chart and area chart. We use line chart or area chart when we want to demonstrate trends of our data within a period of time. For example, now we have date, which date can be in terms of months, quarters or years. And then we also have sales amount, we have gross margin, and then we also have total product cost. So when you want to demonstrate trends of product cost or sales amount or gross margin over a period of time, we'll use a line chart or area chart. So let's build a line chart. So under my visualization pin, I will click on this button for line chart. Then now I will drag date and drop on the axis. Then again I will drag a sales amount and drop on the values. So already we build a simple line chart. But again, within our visual we can build several lines to give a multiple line within our visual. Like now we have gross margin and we also have total product cost. We can also decide to demonstrate the trends of our gross margin and total product cost within our visual in addition to our sales amount. So to show you that, let me just drag in total product cost, and then I also will drag and drop gross margin and the values. So here you can see we have multiple lines within our line chart, of which the first one is total product cost followed by sales amount and then gross margin. And then again we can also do the formatting of the same. So I want my legend to be at the bottom center, and then I also want my title to be aligned at the center. Then I will also do a border on the same, and I'll give my border a radius of 19 px. And then I also want to see my data labels, so I will keep on, or rather click on the data labels. Then let's make our axes more visible by giving them black color. And this also will apply to my y-axis and the legend as well. So here you can see we've already created our line chart with multiple lines. So doing a line chart is that simple, and I hope ladies and gentlemen you understood. So let's meet on the next video on area chart.